How to fix Messenger not working. First of all, head over to your Play Store and in the search bar search for Messenger. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows update, then your application has not been updated to the latest version. So tap on update and your application will be updated. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue that you have been facing. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your settings, move into apps, tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application Messenger and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. So tap on clear cache and clear storage. Click on OK. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted data from this application, and it will make your application run smoothly. But if you're still facing the issue, in the next step what you can do is go back and head over to permissions. Right here you need to make sure that you have given permission to all of these options. If not, you need to allow the permissions. Once it is done, you'll be good to go. If you're still facing the error, it might be that the server of this application is down. In this case, all you can do is wait for the Messenger to fix their server, and then you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Messenger not working. I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.